Alia finally knows the truth. We got to see Rooster Bolt's superpower in action. Lila's notebooks are all burned, and we now know she's a shapeshifter. So much happened in Nemesis, and yet at the same time, literally nothing happened. Personally, I didn't really like this episode. I would give it a 7 out of 10. Season 6 started about a half year ago, and now it's officially over. This season was honestly one of the best in Miraculous history. The writing, the animation quality, the new unifications, everything improved. But did this finale deliver a satisfying payoff for the whole season? Unfortunately, I would have to say no, because this episode honestly felt like just another regular episode of season 6. There were other episodes like Secret Protocol that I thought were way more intense than Nemesis. And there are so many writing flaws in this episode that I just can't stop questioning things. First question, how did an illusion got akumatized? Okay, I know Rooster Bolt created like an air shield around Marinette's illusion, but how did the Akuma give powers to literally just air? Marinette wasn't even there, it was just an illusion covered in a protective layer of air. How can nothing get akumatized? How can empty air have emotions? And Ladybug's plan, it was terrible. You're telling me that not one person on the team was smart enough to point out the flaw in her plan? Nobody questioned it or suggested an alternative? Why would you take the earrings back from Lila, basically alerting her that this was all set up, and then scream attack and just teleport all the heroes at once with zero strategy? Like just chase Lila while literally telling her you're coming? What? Listen, all they had to do was teleport Vesperia exactly to Lila's location. They had her exact coordinates. Instead of warning her, just drop Vesperia in, have her use Venom and freeze Lila. Done. The Miraculous team would have won easily. Or even while running, Capricate could have created a giant rock to block Lila's lair, so she couldn't escape. Ryoko could have gone invisible and waited outside of the lair to catch Lila. And there were like 15 heroes against one Lila in that catacomb. Are you seriously telling me nobody saw her or caught her? Especially when every single hero had insane powers. I know Lila can shapeshift, but still, did literally nobody see her transform and they all just kept running? And the end credit scene, it could have been so much more impactful. Instead, it just left us feeling empty and unsatisfied. They should have included at least one shocking twist at the end to build hype for season 7. But this episode left us exactly where we started. I enjoyed it and it was a good episode on its own. But as a finale, it was terrible. It should have been great. There are other things I want to talk about like Alia's reaction, but I'll make a separate video on that soon. Did you guys like this episode? How would you rate it out of 10? Let me know in the comments. See you soon.